record your reaction.
She posted herself?
What? Yes, she posted this herself. Say hi, hi.
5 minutes long, geez.
Hold on. It's worth it. Believe me. Oh my god. It's like the funniest thing in the whole entire world.
Asleep?
No, she's thinking.
Is she being serious? Like singing like I can.
Hey, 2 guys made famous, Old English stuff.
Are we supposed to be listening to what she's saying?
No, it doesn't matter what song she's singing. I don't even know what song she's singing.
What is she doing?
Just watch.
Anyway, I'm done.
No, she's far from done.
What did she do? Who is this?
Scarlett.
What is she?
She's looking for some shoes. She's putting some high heels.
She's a really bad singer. I'm sorry.
Because it's so funny. I know what's gonna happen. Sorry.
I think you can have it yourself.
I know, we need to record you.
No.
What?
She's still singing.
And she's like really like crazy like singing too.
Oh, just you wait.
Oh,
Oh, there's the end of that.
Showing you her shoes.
that table is gonna fall.
Just watch.
Scarlett,
I can hear her
why?
thinking.
Silly Scarlett.
She started jumping.
She's gonna kill herself.
Just wait. It's coming soon.
Oh my god! Well, she's got a lot of talent. Is she gonna keep singing?
Probably. That's what I'm listening for.
She's like, oh.
She barely hurt herself.
Is there anybody else there with her?
No.